Hey guys, welcome to this year's Comic-Con. It is absolutely phenomenal. It's jam-packed. Of course, everybody's in the mess, but everybody who's in cosplay has made it a part of their cosplay. Absolutely ingenious. All the built-up feelings that we had from not getting out during COVID is just exploding here, and it is a fantastic and beautiful thing to see. I cannot wait to see what we get into. Why don't we head on down and see what we got? Around the back.
This side. I know, it's too tight. Right here.
Why don't we just go there? Oh, let's go.
Basically like Adam West in like a squirrel costume. And one of the they're selling. I don't know if somebody's Nicole, you want $170? Come through first. Not like. Sorry. And I'm coming in with the like 30. Oh, wait.
Who is it? Mario Luigi? If someone wants to take a picture or something, you know that you can put your bag, your friend will take your stuff.
If you ever decide to cosplay, you can drink it up for free when you're at that bar.
Oh, I think I do. Are you guys like on TikTok or something?
I'm on TikTok as Battle Boss.
Okay, because I think I've heard of you guys in it.
Yeah.
Battle Lounge. Yeah. Excuse me. Hey, you also like give me it's terrible.
Sorry.
I'm pointing at both fingers. I don't know why. Thank you.
It already came out.
In front of will call entrance.
Funko Pops, comic books, and so much more. Ladies and gentlemen, take New York Comic Con home with you and download the Whatnot app.
Gosh, that was fantastic. I don't think it's ever been this electric here. I think everybody has just been excited to enjoy Comic-Con for what it is, especially after all the stuff that happened last year. Everybody's coming full force, of course, absolutely protected, staying safe, enjoying responsibly, but man, it's beautiful. It's still in absolute full swing, but thank you so much for joining us. We hope to see you next year. Until then, stay safe.